This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming concrete outcomes. What decisions will this dashboard drive and which KPIs matter most? Once done, inventory where the data lives, SQL tables, CSV exports or external APIs, and record refresh cadence. Make sure to pick a focused AI capability, for example, anomaly alerts or short-term forecasts, because models perform better with narrow scopes. This initial clarity speeds design choices, narrows preprocessing needs, and prevents wasted engineering on metrics you won't use. Now you prepare and transform data so the AI sees consistent inputs, normalize timestamps, resolve ID, and impute missing values. Next, pick or train a model suited to the task, regression or tree ensembles for numeric forecasts, or embeddings for similarity and search, and validate with a holdout set. Then wire predictions into the dashboard by exposing a small API or scheduled batch files. Make sure visual components map to model outputs, and include uncertainty or context. You finish by deploying the model and dashboard together, using a container or cloud function for predictions and a hosted BI layer for visuals. Once live, set up monitoring for data drift, model latency, and accuracy so you spot degradation early. Make sure to schedule retraining or manual review triggers based on drift thresholds. And if something goes wrong, slow responses or bad predictions, check input schemas and recent data changes first. Mismatched columns or timestamp shifts are the most common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.